Yo, we finna be raiding on the hood. It's bots. We gonna be NPCs and we gonna shit on the whole server. He a stud and I'm a lesbian. Like you see, I got a lesbian haircut. We gonna shit on everybody.
Nah, you a stud too.
No, I'm not.
Stud ass nigga.
Nope. What the fuck? He's still gonna die.
Changes their fate into this. I stopped him.
Shoot everybody here.
I be getting the hoes.
They can't get stoned.
Doing that.
A little peep packing. Get stoned. Who else? Hey, kill this bunny bitch. Keep Maria. Nobody safe.
This spirit. You need? Come on, dude.
Alright, that's enough.
Yeah, that's enough.
I don't remember who we stomped.
Right. If we find that stuff.
I stomped this. I think that's one.
That's not one.
Oh.
I didn't see you stop there at all.
I know I stomped. I know a bunch of one. What's going on? Let me shoot. Let me shoot. I wanna shoot. I wanna shoot everybody. Dump everybody.
Hey, get over there.
Hey, I'm dead.
Don't worry, we finna get up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up.
Oh, she ain't gonna stop you. That's just dick ride. We find Nugget. I don't know. I'm gonna leave his ass alone.
Hey, this bitch locked. Unless I'm tweaking. Let me find out. Let me find out she locked. Let us find out.
Who locking?
I think E underscore something. And she locked.
Killed me. Hey, don't kill y'all, your coop and carve. Wow.
Alright, bro.
I think carve shot me.
Who found out?
Hey, kill carve.
This nigga.
Damn. Hey, kill everybody. Fuck it. Fuck it, nigga.
Why bunny shooting him?
They fighting. I still don't remember all the ops. I got a good vision of them. When I remember them, I'm gonna die again. Who here? You went on.
Found a nugget.
Nah. It's E2, bitch. Hey, what the fuck? Move out the fucking way, fat bitch.
How to eat the world.
Hey.
This bitch.
Hey, stomp everybody on the ground. Lock the door. Don't kill nothing. I ain't stomping fast. I just killed him. What are you doing?
Hey, get up.
Can I get up? Hey, kill your coop, nigga. Hey, yo ass.
Who's your coop?
That nigga.
Who's your coop?
No way. Your coop.
You see that?
Let me reset. Get him, Nugget. Hey,
Get
him
up.
off. Pop his ass. I'm climbing back.
Hey, they came back.
Wow.
I'm finna just stomp everybody, bro. I'm confused, bro.
It's Annie. Puss Annie.
What?
How Annie?
What about them?
Wait, I'm here.
Their groceries? You want me to get groceries?
I ain't going in the house. Nope.
Bruh.
Who the fuck, nigga? This nigga shot me. Come here, damn bitch. He locking. He cool locking. Fuck him.
Yeah. Oh, y'all do have to bug though. It's Monday, ain't it?
Who the fuck?
Nigga. Two trash asses. That's good.
Bro, kill Bunny. Who the fuck is external, bro? Niggas just be getting involved in shit. Why you died, bitch?
You found the red too, right? Wow. This bitch is locking. I knew it. E_29, bitch. She was locking.
He ain't finna jump me.
Come back. Come back, Frog.
Nah, I was at military. I'm gonna kill hard ass though.
Hey. Oh God, this bitch aired me while I was macron. That's all I need to see.
Get up, bitch.
Nigga, I can't move my screen.
Hey. Push me then, nigga. He ain't bought it. He ain't bought it. Bitch. Bitch.
Hey, edit that out.
He ain't bought it.
Edit that air out.
Nah. Cause I aired him. So
You don't get that in?
They gotta stay in.
Alright.
Oh, okay, nigga. I don't need it. Yes.
I'll push it down.
Alright, let me run now. Everything gotta reload. Ain't catching my ass alone. I'll fight your ass alone.
Hey, come to stun.
Hey, I died.
Bro, this bitch is so trash, bro. She's locked.
You'd be alright in this bitch.
Yo, this bitch is blatant. Oh my God. Kill K2 the best, too. Wait, never mind. Wait, yeah, kill K2 the best, I think. Well, if he shoot me again, I'm gonna see. About a lot of people.
I seen that shit.
You saw that, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Gonna put her ass down.
Bro.
Nigga. Bitch. She said, bro, move. Nigga, fuck you.
Ooh.
That E2, bitch. Talking about some, bro.
Gosh ass niggas.
I think I beamed that Y2 nigga.
It's so blatant, bro.
And she get fucking stoned. G1, now I'm putting that nigga down. He's slamming this bitch ass.
Hey, come back.
Wow. Good. Daddy finna go back. Blatant as fuck, nigga. Fuck you.
I'll leave in 15 minutes.
Alright, that's good. Why are they all camping inside the house?
Come now, bro. Good lord. They all came up. Right over there.
It's a bitch.
Kill 3. I'm gonna go.
But did you stomp 3?
Yeah. Why is shooting me through the house, bro?
fuck? How this nigga all the way over there?
They got that consequences by everybody that come up.
Bitch. I'm beating her ass, but who did that shit? Here's my
Fuck. Oh.
You thought nigga missed. This nigga snubbed me. His armor in there. He had 100. I'm finna come back.
Hey, I ain't got no tight bullets. Nigga ass. He low, bro. I ain't got no tight bullets.
I'll fight you too, nigga. On God, I will.
Oh.
G1 now. Hey, go to school.
Nigga, who aired me? Nigga, I'm right here.
Hey, when you get healed up, come to school.
Alright, yes, cool.
Get armor. Don't go there. Oh.
Don't worry. That's not for this.
On both their ass. Fuck, nigga. Ooh.
I missed that.
Ooh.
I'm not awake. I have a habit of reloading, bro. I break that.
Aggravating. Oh my god, nigga. I'm so fucking blatant.
That's funny.
I gotta reload everything. Kill his ass. He low. He low. Here we go. I ain't get stumped.
Come back.
Bitch.
Hold him at bay.
I killed all they ass. All of them.
Got him.
I ain't get stumped, so I got up. Bitch out in. Can't beat us.
Here you go. Here goes.
Oh my god.
Fuck down, nigga.
Blatant shit to his ass. I would've left.
Yes, nigga. Literally invisible. He's invisible. Fuck. Look at that. Dude, he's just killing everybody at house. Let me just say.
Up here. Who shoot me?
Might get armor in the house.
Hey. Wow.
Back and shit.
Nigga, bro, who the fuck? Nigga name. It's this unknown nigga, bro. Niggas called a hacker to fight me. Oh God, we can hack. Watch. 1v1, how much? Something I did. $0, nigga. Not 1v1 you, bitch. 1v1, how much? Like he's not teleporting. Can't even fight his ass. What you mean 1v1? Zero, nigga. The ops left. Fuck, the G19. Yo, bro. This nigga aggravating.
Fuck me.
I will give you the world, baby girl. You just gotta be right. Yeah, you just gotta be perfect.
Something went wrong. Please try again.
Why the fuck my shit be turned on by itself? Hacking my phone. Fuck you, nigga. I stayed up because I thought you was coming. We talking around the start to remind me of.
Everybody at the warehouse.
It's only this Issa bitch, bro.
That means it's
everybody else AFK. Probably getting me banned because I'm too legit. And niggas never seen nothing like it before. Oh man, I might just end the video right here. Everybody out this bitch. Niggas AFK.
Not everybody.
Out of there. Gone. Seen the mind them bitch. Fuck no. Hey, that's the end of my video. Take my win. Take my dub, nigga. Fuck all that. You on my lot, bro. Check the description.